A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, a federal appeals court has overturned a lower court's ruling that held the Trump administration in contempt over deportations related to the Alien Enemies Act. The D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals delivered its decision on Friday, siding with the government in a 2-1 ruling that concluded the administration had met the stringent requirements for a writ of mandamus. This ruling effectively vacates the district court's probable cause order that had previously found the Trump administration in violation of court directives. The panel of judges included two appointees of former President Trump, Greg Katsas and Naomi Rao, who formed the majority opinion, while Judge Patricia Millett, appointed by former President Obama, dissented. The origins of this case trace back to earlier this year, when Judge James Boasberg expressed his belief that the Trump administration's actions constituted willful defiance of court orders. He had issued a 46-page opinion asserting that the administration's refusal to halt deportation flights carrying Venezuelan nationals, allegedly linked to the Tren de Aragua gang, amounted to criminal contempt. In a dramatic twist, Judge Boasberg even suggested the possibility of appointing a prosecutor to pursue charges against the administration if they continued to ignore his orders. Earlier in March, Boasberg had granted a temporary restraining order aimed at preventing the deportation of these Venezuelan nationals under the Alien Enemies Act, a law that gives the government the authority to deport individuals deemed a threat to national security. However, the latest developments saw the U.S. Supreme Court stepping in to vacate Boasberg's orders, allowing the Trump administration to proceed with the deportations. This ongoing legal saga highlights the contentious nature of immigration policies and the powers wielded by different branches of government. The ruling has sparked mixed reactions, with supporters of the Trump administration celebrating the decision as a victory for executive authority, while critics argue it undermines judicial oversight. As the political landscape continues to evolve, this case serves as a reminder of the complexities surrounding immigration law and the balance of power between the courts and the executive branch. The implications of this ruling extend beyond just the Trump administration, as it raises broader questions about the enforcement of immigration laws and the treatment of individuals facing deportation. The legal battles surrounding the Alien Enemies Act are likely to continue, with advocates on both sides of the issue preparing for further challenges in the courts. As the situation unfolds, citizens and lawmakers alike will be watching closely to see how this ruling impacts future immigration policies and the broader legal framework governing deportations in the United States. In the meantime, those interested in following the latest developments in this case and other political news are encouraged to stay informed through reliable news sources. As mainstream media continues to grapple with issues of trust and accuracy, platforms like the Gateway Pundit aim to provide timely reporting on pressing political matters. With the legal landscape constantly shifting, it is essential for the public to remain engaged and informed about the implications of such rulings on the future of immigration and national security in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.